Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E! Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Tifa is gearing up to release her new album. The announcement comes days after the dancehall star released her track dubbed Bossa Wine. The track was followed by the video that was shot in Miami, Florida. Bossa Wine is one of 15 tracks that will be featured on her upcoming album. The track is available on iTunes, Apple Music, Tidal, and other major digital platforms for purchase or streaming. The album will be released this summer. Tifa is featured on No Regular by Meds Music, which reached number 5 on the iTunes chart in Japan, as well as One Chance, One Dance, produced by DJ Kurt Riley. Tifa will soon release her third track from the album titled Dancehall Queen. The JCDC will host their Jamaica Festival Song Competition semi-final concert tomorrow at the Ranny Williams Entertainment Center. The event will feature reggae and mento-infused sounds of top 30 semi-finalists in the 2018 Jamaica Festival Song Competition. The concert will also showcase the semi-finalists who will be going against each other in order to get into the coveted top 10 spot. The Jamaica Festival Song Competition started back in 1966 and has helped to launch and advance the careers of some of Jamaica's acclaimed singers and songwriters. Winners of the Festival Song Competition have included Toots and the Maytals, Desmond Dekker, Ernie Smith, Tinga Stewart, among others. Amidst his performances at the Serengeti Bistro, Hope Gardens and Providence in Guyana, reggae artist Bugle is slated to perform in New York City, where he is booked to headline the 31st staging of the Loveline Music Anniversary and Awards ceremony at a Portuguese club in Queens. The event will also feature Deli Ranks and Agent Sasco. In the midst of the cold, though, Bugle plans to bring some heat to the event. The 2017 Anointed singer released a sophomore album titled Be Yourself. The album contains 15 tracks, all specially made to pass on the strong message to listeners. The Loveline Music Anniversary and Awards ceremony will take place today and tomorrow. Reggae artist Shaggy has teamed up with Canadian crooner Masari for the single titled Why. Why comes on the heels of the success of Shaggy's recent collaborative efforts with Sting on the single Don't Make Me Wait. The duo is gearing up to release their collaborative album 44876 through A&M Interscope Records, after a string of performances and appearances on the 60th Anniversary Grammy Awards and Good Morning America. The two will embark on a European tour this summer. After a year of radio silence, Nicki Minaj returns with the release of 2 new singles dubbed Barbie Tings and Chun-Li. Nicki Minaj also teamed up with Young Thug on the new song dubbed Anybody. The tracks will also be featured on her new album. Minaj, the album has only been in the making since December, although some songs were written over a year ago. She will address her situation with her ex-boyfriend Meek Mill, including his involvement in legal troubles on the album. While Minaj's last album, The Pink Print, was released in 2014, she's collaborated since with Fergie, Ariana Grande, Katy Perry, Migos alongside Cardi B. Barbie Tings has already secured 3 million views since being released yesterday, while Chun-Li has close to 1 million views. The hip-hop artist has not yet announced a date for the new album. And that's it for the weekend edition of E! Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching. Have a nice weekend.